Welcome.
Well, my name is Jan, and today Vicki has joined me. She's going to be learning a complete new technique that she's not done before, and it's a simple technique of marbleizing. And if you've ever done a marble cake, it will be easy to understand. You need three colors: a light, medium, and a dark, generally in the same color hues. I have chosen purple, and Vicki has chosen blue. And what we are doing is we are going to take and we're going to put a drop of the light on our plate, a drop of the medium very close to it, or right next to it, and then we're going to take the dark and we're going to put it, all three of them together. Now, we want it to go together a little bit, and what I'm using is a brush. She has a tool that you can use. The key to success in this is to not dip into the paint so deep that you're touching the bisque that is underneath it. So I'm going to take it, and just like a marble cake, you're going to go around like this, and don't overwork it or you'll muddy it up and you'll have nothing but mud. And it's not pretty mud either, unfortunately. And you want to make sure you leave the marbleizing effect. Once you have the first one done, then you come back with your colors again. Are you going to start, or are you going to watch me do mine?
I was going to give you another round.
Oh, you can. Okay.
Wanted to see how you go on from there.
So then I put another series of colors. And because I had so much dark on the last one, I'm going to maybe just put one drop. Also, you want to be careful with this that you do not try and put too much on your plate at the same time. That can create a problem as far as glaze buildup, and that then makes it a little heavy and it can bubble. But as you see, as I am doing this marbleizing, you're going to end up with it looking like a really pretty marbleized piece. You want to make sure you use three colors that are fairly contrasting. I've always been more successful at doing this with the same color family. If I use different color families, especially some of the colors that mix together, it ends up being really muddy. So just take your brush or your tool straight up and down and just pull it through. Like I say, if you've ever made a marble cake, you'll know what I'm doing. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to continue with this all the way around and cover this whole bottom with color. And then when I get through, I have it out to here. I think you'll see on our sample that we have come out to the edge of it. We're going to let it dry overnight. Then I'm going to come back with one of the colors that I have used in here, and I'm going to put 3 to 4 coats of that on there, letting it dry between coats so that we can end up with a nice solid coverage. And then it is fired to an 06. What I will tell you is that the bisque that you use should be fired to an 03 or an 02. It's a simple technique, takes time and patience to a point, but it's fun when it's all done. So don't try to rush it, just end up having a good time. Thank you so very much. Join us on Facebook. Join us on Instagram. Watch us on Marketplace. Watch us on YouTube. And check out my website at janceramic.com. Thank you again. I'm going to show you how we do it to begin with, and then you can only take moving the paint around.
Because I know that's what Marilyn's problem was.
Yeah, she touched the plate. Oh, she gets to watch for a minute,
Can't
and then
see.
she will get to start hers. What?
Can't see, I fog up.